Yo, what's up? My name is Wietse and welcome to the Psycho Lifestyle video log. Check it out, it's the Hollywood sign right there. We're in Los Angeles right now for the Sound of Q dance. What do you guys actually think? Well, what do you guys actually think now you see it in real life, the Hollywood sign?
It looks so small.
It looks so small. Why is it so special though? Why did we go all the way out here to see it?
Because of the movies.
Because of the movies. Which movies?
A lot of them.
Can you name one? No?
Hollywood.
No?
I don't know.
Oh, alright, just because of the movies.
Just because of, like.
Alright guys, so tonight the Sound of Q dance, are we excited?
Hell yeah.
I'm pretty stoked.
Hell fucking yeah.
I heard there's gonna be a lot of people. It's sold out, right?
I hope so.
Yeah, it better be a lot of people.
I hope so.
I thought it was sold out. Alright guys, cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Take care.
Peace! So to prepare myself for the gig tonight, I like to do a nice workout. I like to do that every day. And today I'm doing that together with Mr. Villain. You guys want to know how the Dutch haka dance works? Just like this. Yeah, come on! That's a terror dance. Alright, so I'm sitting here with the one and only DJ Coone.
Cooners, what's up?
Alright, so Coone is here in LA too tonight for the Sound of Q dance.
I am.
And it's always nice to meet a good friend in LA.
Chilling out.
In the sunshine, chilling at the
California,
pool.
baby.
Alright, so you're doing a tour at the moment.
Yes,
right?
sir.
How's your tour?
Tiring.
Tiring?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I'm really glad this is the last gig.
Where did y'all go?
Salt Lake City, New York, San Francisco, Philadelphia, Boston, Orlando, and now LA.
Wow, that's a lot. How much sleep did you get?
Not many, but hey, I don't look old and I don't feel old, so.
You still look 16, so that's perfect, right? Yeah. Alright, so tonight we're gonna rock, right?
We're gonna rock the house,
Alright,
buddy.
Coone. Let's enjoy life a little bit more first. Peace! So, I'm a little late. I fell asleep because I didn't sleep for the last day or so. And right now, the driver's waiting for me because we're going to the Sound of Q dance. But I'm in a fucking hurry. Fuck! Are you ready, Swan?
Born ready. Born ready. Still tired.
Make it.
We're so tired of us talking about being tired.
Yeah, that we're getting tired from being tired of being
Yeah.
the tired ass motherfucker. Bye bye. So we just arrived at the shrine. People getting in right now. Maybe some fans right here. It's still early, man.
What's up? This is Coone. Yeah, baby!
Just another day at the office. Sound of Q dance, Los Angeles. Here we motherfucking go.
You know the words, let me hear you. You know the words, let me hear you. I am a drunken master, a fucking psycho punk. Tough OT, OT, OT.
Wow. Since when? How was it?
Crazy. We just came off the stage. Awesome.
Man.
Awesome.
I think this is our second time doing Sound of Q Dance in LA, and it was fucking amazing.
It's the second time, and it's just like the first time. Explosive.
I think even more crazy. More people dancing their fucking asses off. What the fuck? Los Angeles, you're fucking lovely.
We love you.
Thank you so much. Like, I'm tired right now, dude.
I'm tired, but we're not gonna sleep.
We're not gonna sleep. I think we're going to an after party. We're gonna stay up and then have to fly back home and sleep on the flight.
Hell, we're gonna be the last man standing.
Last man standing. We stay up. Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Whoa.
Bye bye. Los Angeles.
Bye bye, Los Angeles. Bye bye,
Oh my
Hotel.
god. Bye bye. How was the
Bye
night?
bye.
Was it good?
Yeah, and like a full night of sleep.
Like a terrible night. And bye bye.
Bye bye.
So we finally made it. We're back in Amsterdam after an 11-hour flight. Los Angeles was amazing, great show, good weather, and now we're back in the rainy Amsterdam. But I'm lucky because right now I'm going to Rome to chill there for 4 days and to do some sightseeing, to have a little 4-day break and chill in Italy, Rome. So we're going there right now, straight away. Cheers.